Dear students, parents, teachers, ladies and gentlemen, at the very outset, I would like wholeheartedly congratulate all my dear students who have secured admission in TKM College of Engineering in spite of all the hardships and chaos during this pandemic. I should appreciate all the proud parents who have supported their ward's decision to build their career through this prestigious institution. As you know, TKM College has got a legacy of over 60 years of excellence in the field of engineering education. Our alumni occupy coveted positions in national and international levels, and our alumni chapters spread across the globe in almost all major countries. Our founder, Janab Tangal Kunju Musliar, was a visionary who walked ahead of his time and started this college following the clarion call of our then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Mr. Musliar was one of the most successful entrepreneurs whom Kerala has produced, and he once held a world record of the single largest employer who had the most directly employed workers under him. He had dedicated all his valuable earnings to build a college for the benefit of society. You should be proud and happy to secure an admission in our college, which is going to be your first step towards your professional development. This is just a beginning, and you have got very important 4 years ahead, where you have to strive hard to come out with flying colors and succeed in this competitive world. Through our dedicated teaching learning process and the various avenues of professional development, I am sure that you will find it easy and joyful to build your career being part of our institution. While many of our new educational programs have been introduced in India, engineering continues to remain in demand. Engineers don't sit back and watch. They make things happen using innovation, creativity, and a wealth of knowledge. Engineering graduates are impacting the world like any other. For ages, engineering has turned imagination and fantasy into something that is tangible and useful. Invention and innovation in the field of engineering technology have transformed our lives. The modern world we live in would not have been possible without the marvels of engineering. I am happy that you are all entering the field of engineering and technology with great expectations. As I am sure that you can become good engineers and technocrats provided you continue to work hard. Once again, I welcome you all, the portals of TKM College of Engineering. I wish you all great success. Thank you. Jai Hind.